Hello everyone, it's me Amy. Welcome to my channel. So today I will share to you another ESL company and it's an audio class. So maybe you are familiar with this company which is Speaker Phone English. Yeah, so let's see what is a Speaker Phone English and the rates of Speaker English hiring. So just type, this is my Facebook account. Just type in Facebook, speaker, and then lalabas na siya. Double I, speaker nila. Spiiker. So here, this is just recently, April 16, 2025. Take note. So this one. So speaker English, we are looking for ESL teachers. Work time fixed schedule, at least 2 hours from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Monday to Friday. So weekdays, you can add daytime schedule after 1 month. I guess your probation period is 1 month. So I like this because it's a minimum of 2 hours only. So mostly ESL, minimum nila is 5 hours. But here is 2 hours only if you are so busy. I tried to apply, but later I will tell you. So accent should be American or neutral. So if you apply, uh, try to have an accent. Artehan nyo pa. Or if you cannot, just be confident. That's what the recruiter said. Just be confident. Next, internet speed, 25 Mbps onwards, stable devices, and class rate would be 70 to 80 paces for 22-minute class. And you should have experience ESL teaching or experience ESL. But don't worry. So here are my tips if you will apply in Speaker. Well, I'm not working there right now, but I try to apply. I have experience how or is their interview. So I got interviewed twice last year and this year because you can reapply after a year. So here's the thing. You will contact someone in via Skype. So I will attach later the Skype account of the recruiter that I applied. Yun, kukontak niyo siya. And then, you will immediately set an interview. So you will add the manager and then you will have an interview. So this is the exciting part is the interview is only 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. So I just experienced the first interview. Hanggang dun lang ako kasi hindi ako pumasa. I don't know the next steps. But yeah, this is just for the interview, yung mga mag-a-apply. Okay? So, yun. Only 3 to 5 minutes. So give your best shot. Well, I gave my best shot, but my best is not enough. So last year, let's start with last year. I applied last year. I don't know what, uh, because they won't say the feedback. I don't ask the recruiter, so it's okay. She will just, the recruiter will be the one who will inform you if you passed or failed. If you did not pass, you will receive, you can reapply after a year. So last time that I applied there, I guess maybe because my accent, because it's a year ago, so maybe my English is not yet good. And also because I told her that I'm major in elementary. So by the way, speaker caters mostly adult Chinese learning. And if you'll have an interview, the manager is also Chinese. So medyo, the accent is Chinese. Her accent is Chinese. Lakasan nyo na lang yung volume nyo. Para hindi kayo, again. So, yun yung last year. I'm very nervous kasi I thought maybe it's very long interview. 3 to 5 minutes lang pala. And then, next interview now this year, I think that just last week. Yeah, I had my interview last week. So, yeah, medyo matagal yung interview. I guess maybe 6 minutes like that. The last year, nasa 4 minutes. So, yun, last week. So what I told her, I have experience, which is 5 years, almost 5 years, and I'm taking up masters in English. But honestly, I'm taking masters in elementary. So I told her that I am graduate of an English major. So she got interested, and then she asked what's my, I'm a little nervous that time. So she asked, what is my plan after I graduate master's? So I think yun yung isa na nag-fail ako because I try to be, and also maybe my accent needs more practice. I told her na I might go abroad and I'm not sure yet. So yun lang naman I guess yung medyo nagpanako. I don't know the real reason. So if you will apply, try to be um, more neutral like that. So here's my tips for you. When you apply there, you can say some white lies like you had an experience, and then you can say that you are major in English. Yun lang yung dalawang tips na maibibigay ko sa'yo from my recruiter. That's from my recruiter. It's not from gawa-gawa. Yeah, I guess that one. So maybe next year, if may balak pa ako mag-apply, makukuha na ako. So that's the speaker English. I think it's really good for busy people if you want extra income. You can just work two minimum of 2 hours, and it's just weekdays. And again, it caters Chinese is adult student, mostly adults, Chinese. Yeah. So it's an audio class and regular student that we mentioned there. So you can just search in Facebook, maraming lalabas dyan. Add me on Skype, add me on Skype. Yeah, yun lang. Because mine, sinendan niya na ako ng videos, steps, and tips. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. I hope na if you will apply, fighting and good luck for you. And comment down below kung anong, kung anong results. Yeah. So right now I'm applying in Langji, another audio company. So I will share to you on my next video after my demo, if I will have, you know, if matutuloy. Sure. So goodbye.